Welcome to Invention Saturday. Who made that? Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. What is slicing in the 3D printing process? That's right, polishing the finished product. Which of the following technologies did the Wright brothers successfully develop? You got it, the airplane. Who is credited with inventing the first true battery, known as the voltaic pile, in 18? You got it, Alessandro Volta. George Washington Carver's work with peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes is an example of which scientific field? Correct, agronomy. Which of these is a potential environmental drawback associated with electric car production? You got it, the extraction and processing of battery materials. Which of the following is an example of email etiquette? You got it, replying promptly to important emails. What does the term distributed generation refer to in the context of a power grid? You got it, generating electricity from many small sources close to where it is used. Why is it important to pierce the skin of foods like potatoes before microwaving them? That's right, to prevent them from exploding. What is the primary gas found inside the bubbles of most bubble wrap? Correct, air. Which company did Apple acquire in 1987, bringing Steve Jobs back to Apple and revolutionizing its design and user interface? That's right, Next. Great job. Follow and come back tomorrow for Buffett.